Hey guys, today we are going to talk about Sync Signature and I'm going to walk you through the platform itself. Sync Signature offers you the easiest way to design and install professional email signatures for your teams. If you go to the Sync Signature website, you'll see that there is an option to create a free signature. That's where you click to sign up on Sync Signature. There are two ways you can sign up. You can continue with your Google account or you can simply have email added over here. Add your password and just simply sign up. So what it will do is it will just redirect you to the onboarding steps. There you will be asked a couple of fields. You can just simply fill in all the details, and as you can see on the right hand side it will reflect all the details. So if you have a company logo, I highly recommend that you add it over here so that you can get a list of colors from your company logo to match with your signature's branding. Over here you can also change it if you want to, but I'm just gonna go ahead and have it match with my logo. I can select which social media links I want to keep, so that way you can see it live as well. And then I'm gonna click on next. Over here it will ask me to have a profile picture. So if you want to add a profile picture or your headshot on your signature, you can use this option. Otherwise, you can just simply continue without headshot. Right now, we are just going to see what it offers. So let's go ahead and select a picture. So for example, this is the picture I want to have. So I'll just simply drag it. And what it will do is basically when you click on next, it will generate a couple of professional headshot templates for me. It will just remove the background that I've uploaded the photo with, and it will show me a couple of options to select from. And you can select any of this option that will go ahead, that will go well with your brand within your signature. So, for example, if I go with this and click on next, it will just add this particular photo to my signature. I can also change color from here if I wish to. I can select any of the color and you can see that it will be shown in the picture. So let's go ahead and go with this one. I click on next and it will ask me for a couple of other questions. So this is the signature I'm looking for my company. So I'll just add my company, team size as well, and I can select which email client I want to use this signature for. So I'll just select Gmail and Google Workspace as well. I click on submit and it will just add me to the dashboard where I can select a signature template. If you want to select any of these templates, you can feel free to select that. Otherwise, you can simply close it and the signature I was creating will be available over here. I can always change template from clicking on this side. What it will do is basically just if I select this template, it will just have that template reflected over here with the details I have already added in the previous sections. So as you can see, there are 5 sections. The first section is headshot. You can customize your headshot within the headshot section. As you can see, the same options which was already available earlier is now available over here as well. And I can just select from any of the options that I see over here, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead with this one and click on this use this as signature headshot button. So it will just add that particular headshot over here. In the information section, the first section is personal information. So I can just adjust this signature's headshot radius if you have selected a square profile picture and change any of the details over here and it will reflect over here as well. right? The next section is business information. That's where you add your business information. Company logo I have already added in the previous section, so it you can adjust it from here as well. So that way it will reflect company name, company phone number if I wish to have, company email, company address. All of that can be added over here. The website as well, any of the social links. So for example, this is LinkedIn, so I'll just have my LinkedIn address over here, website too, or the Twitter address. I can also add variety of social media options from here. For example, if I want to add WhatsApp, I can just add WhatsApp over here and link it to my WhatsApp. If I want to have TikTok, I can just simply have TikTok, right? So that way you can add multiple social links over here. So there is a footer option as well that can be used to add disclosures or security related information for your emails. For example, this is the message that I want to keep, so I can just simply add it. I can also change the font size to make it a little larger or smaller, so that way it is fully configurable. You can also have bold italic options, so that way you can utilize the footer option as well. So this is about information section. The next one is design, where you can simply add different kind of fonts and it will be reflected to the signature itself. So choose what you like, select a theme color of your choice, right? And there are icon options. As you can see over here, it is reflecting. I'll just keep letter. You can adjust your social media icons as well, and you can have word as well. You can customize the color of that as well. So all of this is possible. You can just increase size or decrease it. The font size can be adjusted, the name font size can be adjusted, line height can be adjusted. So as you can see, it's pretty customizable in that sense. You can also set text color if you wish to. There is a separator types as well, right? You can add a different width to the separator as well. I'm just gonna keep this one. So yeah, I'm just setting it that way. And you can also adjust this footer width. So this way you can customize everything for this particular section. So if you think this is the right kind of signature for you, what you can do is simply save that so that your progress is not left, and then you can simply go to the next section. You can save the changes and then you can move on to the next section. This is the call to action section where you can add promotional banners from any of the call to action button that you want to keep. You can put it over here. So let's go ahead and add any of the CTA styles. There are different ways to set this up, just like that. Border radius can also be set. That way you can customize your button as well, right? I'm just going to go ahead with this one. So yeah, the same way you can add additional banners. There is a template banner gallery as well over here. It will just open up when it gets loaded. And then you can also add your own custom banner from here, so that it gets added. So this is the banner I want to keep. I just keep that and apply that. As you can see, you can change the URL of that banner, and then you can change the width as well. Put border radius if you want to, and then there are social banners that you want to add, then you can add that as well. So if I want to add my portfolio of Dribble, I can just simply add my URL over here, and the button will pop up over here. And you can also set the width for that button as well. So all of that is possible. You can also add a sign off, happy holidays, or like kind regards, whatever you want to set, you can set it up over here. I'm just gonna, and you can change the name or change the color for that as well. So I'm just gonna keep it none for now. So once you finalize on the signature, you can just simply save that, and you can click on get signature button. Okay, so I may have some some of the pro features added over here, but if you are looking to create a signature which is free, you can just simply click on this revert to free option, and it will remove all the paid options from here and let you get the signature. So if I click on get signature now, you can see that there is a signature available over here. And now I can copy the signature from here, and I can follow the instructions of my email client that I want to use this signature with. So if I say if I want to have it on Outlook, there are signature instruction options available. If I want to use it for Gmail, I can just simply click on Gmail and follow the signatures to add this signature to my Gmail. And that's it. That's how you can create a signature and install it on your favorite email client. I can just go back to the editor, go back again, and it will land up on the dashboard of the sync signature. And then you can, then if you are looking for creating signatures for your team, you can take it from here.